You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this late American actress. If you want to learn more celebrity names that are confusing, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you coming up. Pronounced as Daveigh. I know the spelling of her first name is a bit confusing, but it's pronounced Daveigh. And then her surname is easy, Chase. How to pronounce Daveigh Chase. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.